me send the
Whoa. Before I continue the video, you gotta remember, this is an emergency action notification. My Endec is not hooked up to a transmitter, if you can remember that. If you're watching this video and your Endec is hooked up to a transmitter, I am not responsible for these misuse of tones that you put on your Endec that could be going out to a potential transmitter, which could go out to other radio stations, which then, if transmitting, and after transmitting, could leave off airtime, or could leave off airtime to a group of radio stations. Remember, I am not responsible. Enjoy the video.
letters in 3, 2.
Emergency action notification test. The following was a test of the emergency action notification system. In the event of an emergency, you would tune to stations providing information for your local area. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, this is an emergency action notification test. The following was a test of the emergency action notification system. In the event of an emergency, you would tune to stations providing information for your local area. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, you should tune to a local radio station providing emergency information. This is an emergency action notification test. Repeating, this is only a test. Do not take action based on this message. This is an emergency action notification test. The following was a test of the emergency action notification system. In the event of an emergency, you would tune to stations providing information for your local area. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, you should tune to a local radio station providing emergency information. This is an emergency action notification test. Repeating, this is only a test. Do not take action based on this message. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, this is an emergency action notification test. The following was a test of the emergency action notification system. In the event of an emergency, you would tune to stations providing information for your local area. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, you should tune to a local radio station providing emergency information. This is an emergency action notification test. Repeating, this is only a test. Do not take action based on this message. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, this is an emergency action notification test. The following was a test of the emergency action notification system. In the event of an emergency, you would tune to stations providing information for your local area. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, you should tune to a local radio station providing emergency information. This is an emergency action notification test. Repeating, this is only a test. Do not take action based on this message. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, this is an emergency action notification test. The following was a test of the emergency action notification system. In the event of an emergency, you would tune to stations providing information for your local area. If you are not tuned to a local radio station, you should tune to a local radio station providing emergency information. This is an emergency action notification test. Repeating, this is only a test. Do not take action based on this message.